Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. Fourth and last puzzle in this additional, not in today's newspaper because on Sunday we don't receive any newspaper. No, it's the yesterday's edition, Saturday, February the 11th, 2023. And in this additional I've already solved 3 puzzles, the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, the binary, and it's time now for the tectonic. Tectonic with 4 stars. Is this video 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. But this will be number 5952. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 11 printed digits. Well, 11 printed digits. Oh, my pencil. My pencil. Let me. 11 printed digits. Well, the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 11 printed digits. Could be a hard one, could be an easy one. We don't know. We'll see if this is really a hard one. Oh. Yeah. Okay, first question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1 of boxes here. Always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, dual boxes. Do we have dual boxes? Is here dual box? There dual box contains the 1 and the 2. I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 2. Here also do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 2. Triple boxes then. I see here only 1 triple box. Contains the 1 and 2 and 3. Well, I cannot fill those numbers. Need more information. Insufficient information. But when you see a triple box, remember that the inside box, the box near the middle box, the inside box is always 4 or a 5. So let me mark this 4 or a 5. Triple box. Next question. Quadra boxes. Do we have here quadra boxes in this puzzle? Let me scan. No quadra boxes. Well, then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures or constructions. For example, let me draw the T shape. Here we have a T shape. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. This T shape is rotated, yes. And that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2 here. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Only one T shape. Then the following shape. How about... Oh no, here another T shape. Rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 2. Okay. And in this T shape, we have another box that has the same number as that box. So this box should be a 2. Alright. Okay. Oh, overlook this quadra box. Contains the 1 and 2, 3 and a 4. Well, the 1 and 3 is already filled in, so those 2 boxes should be the 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. Okay. Well. Next shape. How about the L shape? The L shape rotated. We have an L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Okay, more L shapes? No. Only one L shape. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do you have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah, rotated this one. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 or a 4. 2 or 4. But we already have a 2 here, so it cannot be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 4. Is connected with that box should be also a 4. 1 digit left in this quadra box for number 2. Alright. And next shape. Do we have more shapes here? No. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum of 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. 2 missing numbers in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes there. This box can be a 4, that box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. L-shaped area should be here. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So that a pair in this area should be the numbers 3 and the 5. Let me mark those 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. Now we have a 5 here. So this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 3. Alright. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I can fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. I should be there. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not a solution to place the 1 there. If I place the 1 here, well, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. But we already have a 1 here in this area. So not a solution to place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be here. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. These 3 boxes surround a 5 can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4, we have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4. It goes there. And then. Let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Well. Alright. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that these 2 boxes can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here or there, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 2 boxes can be 1, but also those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area, I should be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 1 in this triple box because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Right. Let me think. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 3 because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I can fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be 3, but also that box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be here. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. Alright, this box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, well, I cannot place a 2 here because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 is supposed to be here, and the 4 goes here. These 2 boxes can be 4, that box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Then. Let me think. Well. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. Then, let me think. This box can be 3. This box can be a 5. So the 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Now we have a 5 there. So this box can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 to 4. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. These 2 boxes can be 2. These 2 boxes can be 3. So the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. Alright. Then. Let me think. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Alright. Then, let me think. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 2 because we have double 2 there. If I place a 2 here or there, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 should be here or there. That means that this box can't be a 2 anymore because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Okay, so the 3, need a 3 here. Okay, 1 and a 3, okay. Let me think. Need a 5 here, need the 2, 3, 1 and a 5. I'm thinking. 1 and a 2. Wow. 1, 2, 3. No. 3, 4. Well, no. 1 and a 2. We already have a 2 there, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 5. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 and a 4. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 and 3. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Two numbers left, the 1 and the 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. I've marked those two boxes with 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. And that box should be a 2. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes here. So 1 digit left in this triple box for number 3. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 1. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. This box should be a 2. Is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 1 digit left in this dual box for number 1. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Let me mark those. 3 and 4. 3 and 4. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be a 2 anymore. That box should be 2, and I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 3 to 4, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. And the final, no. 4 and a 5. Well, I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yeah, definitely 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. And the final number in this area for number 1. Finish in 60 minutes. Well. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. And we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And have a great and fantastic Sunday. We will meet again tomorrow on Monday. Yeah. New week. New days, new day, with new puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.